Get ready for a fast-paced countdown to the best carpet cleaners that actually make stains vanish and fibers feel fresh. Today, I'm going to be going over the best carpet cleaners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the generic cordless vacuum cleaner. It is designed to be a daily driver for busy, modern homes where quick pickups accumulate into a routine rather than a chore. From the moment you lift this unit, the balance between weight and power becomes evident. The chassis is slim and compact, yet it houses a capable motor that keeps the suction steady across both carpet and hard floor surfaces. The self-standing design is a practical touch, allowing the vacuum to stand on its own by the charging dock or a corner shelf, so you can park it safely between cleans without hunting for a wall hook. Battery life is one of the model's strongest selling points. In standard mode, you can expect a comfortable 25 to 40 minutes of runtime, while a higher power setting will trim that down but still deliver meaningful cleaning power for a typical 2-bedroom apartment. The dust bin is roughly 0.6 liters, which is ample enough for everyday messes, but not so large that it becomes burdensome to empty after a longer cleaning session. Filtration is a multi-layer affair, combining a washable primary filter with a secondary stage designed to trap fine dust and potential allergens, supporting a cleaner breathing space in households with kids, pets, or allergies. The toolkit covers the essentials: a versatile floor nozzle for smooth transitions over tile, wood, and low-pile carpet, a crevice tool for tight gaps around baseboards and between cushions, and a small brush for dusting delicate surfaces. An optional motorized floor brush may be bundled in certain markets, but even without it, the cleaner has enough oomph to move deeply embedded dirt on moderate pile carpets when given a few passes. An illumination on the head reveals hidden debris under furniture, turning neglected corners into clear cleaning targets. Maintenance is straightforward. Open the bin with a quick release, wash or replace filters as recommended by the manufacturer, and return the unit to its dock for convenient charging. Weight hovers around the 2.5 to 3 kilogram range, which keeps it maneuverable while still feeling substantial enough to handle tough spots without wobbling. Noise levels are moderate for a cordless vacuum, which matters in open-plan homes and households where other activities occur in the same space. Real-world use shows it excels at high-frequency messes, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday dust, without dramatic drops in performance when the battery is fresh and the brushes stay clean. In the landscape of budget-friendly cordless options, the generic cordless vacuum cleaner emphasizes consistency, reliability, and simplicity over the flashier, higher-end models. Paired to the ZenonLab cordless vacuum cleaner, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this model leans into value and everyday practicality, delivering a compelling package for new buyers who want a dependable cleaner that works well on a variety of floors without requiring constant maintenance. At number 4, we have the ZenonLab cordless vacuum cleaner. This model is built for fast, nimble cleaning sessions that keep pace with a busy household and an ever-changing floor plan. Weighing in as a featherweight in the crowd, ZenonLab emphasizes balance between single-handed operation and robust motor performance, making it easy to swing around sofa legs, reach under beds, and flick dust from tight corners with minimal fatigue. Powertrain is tuned for responsive suction, with a 2-tier approach that allows you to switch between a standard mode for everyday dust and a turbo or boost option when you face stubborn pet hair or deeply embedded debris in high-pile carpet. Runtime is respectable for a cordless unit of this class, roughly 25 to 28 minutes per charge in normal usage, which is more than enough for a single-episode cleaning session in most apartments, and it can be extended with the efficient mode when you want to stretch the life between charges. ZenonLab is designed to be simply serviceable. The dustbin is easy to empty with a one-click release, and the filters are washable with occasional replacement for longer-term use. Compact HEPA-like filtration stack helps keep the air you exhale cleaner, a feature that matters for households with sensitive occupants. The toolset includes the standard floor nozzle, a slim crevice attachment, and a small brush for dusting shelves and electronics. Some versions offer a motorized floor head for more aggressive cleaning on carpets, but even without it, the machine performs well on hard floors. The headlight integrated into the nozzle is a helpful detail, revealing dirt that might otherwise be overlooked under cabinets and near furniture. ZenonLab's self-standing convenience is reinforced by the dock, which senses the vacuum's battery status and initiates a soft return-to-dock routine when it's near empty. Weight is a key factor in its appeal, as the unit feels sturdy yet remains comfortably portable for stairwells, car interiors, and above-floor cleans. Noise levels stay in a tolerable range, allowing for conversation to continue without raising voices mid-session. With build quality and ergonomic design at its core, ZenonLab cordless vacuum cleaner captures a modern approach to cleaning where speed and agility are as important as raw suction. Paired to the Gnarly cordless vacuum cleaner, which I have included as number 3 on this list. Xenolab prioritizes lightness and ease of use for quick daily runs, appealing to users who want a gadget that disappears into their routine rather than dominates it. At number 3, we have the Nardily Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This model centers on a thoughtful blend of anti-tangle technology, multi-surface versatility, and user-friendly maintenance that makes it an appealing choice for households juggling several floor types. The anti-tangle brush design minimizes the resistance that often trips up standard cleaners on long hair, pet fibers, or knotted threads, letting you glide smoothly across carpets, rugs, and bare floors without the usual quick tangle breaks. Wand and body are engineered for a low center of gravity, giving you steady balance when transitioning from tile to carpet or when cleaning above-the-floor surfaces like stairs and curtains. Filtration is robust and multi-stage, often featuring a washable pre-filter plus a sealed main filter that captures fine dust and allergens, helping to improve indoor air quality for occupants with allergies or asthma. Battery life is competitive for a cordless unit of this class, typically delivering around 20 to 30 minutes of reasonable cleaning in standard use, with a boost mode available for more challenging spots. Lightweight build, usually around 2.5 kilograms, makes it comfortable to carry upstairs or into a car, and a well-designed ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Floor head is designed to adapt to different surfaces with automatic height adjustment, which helps prevent scratching on wood floors while maintaining good pickup on plush carpets. An Nardily Cordless Vacuum Cleaner ships with a basic but capable toolkit, a wide floor nozzle that covers large areas, a narrow crevice tool for gaps, and a small dusting brush for delicate surfaces. Self-standing dock is typically included, and the unit is straightforward to disassemble for filter maintenance and bin emptying. Maintenance becomes part of a simple routine. Rinse filters every few weeks, empty the dust cup after cleaning sessions, and store the device on the dock so that it's always ready for the next sprint of tidying. Quiet operation in moderate mode makes it well suited for flats, shared spaces, or late-night cleanups without interrupting neighbors or roommates. Overall, Nardily Cordless Vacuum Cleaner blends practical engineering with a user-first design philosophy, positioning itself as a reliable daily driver that makes cleanup less of a chore. Paired to the Cordless Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Nardily leans into smoother brush rotation and easier maintenance for households that value quiet operation. At number 2, we have the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This model is crafted for households that want a practical, no-nonsense cleaner with a balanced feature set that avoids unnecessary complexity. The chassis emphasizes anti-tangle engineering and a straightforward, compartmentalized toolkit that makes it easy to swap attachments on the fly, whether you're chasing debris in a tight corner or sweeping under couch. Weight is typically kept light enough to maneuver around furniture legs without dragging, yet the body remains robust enough to feel durable when faced with daily wear. Versatile suction profile lets you toggle between a standard floor cleaning mode and a targeted high-power option for deep cleaning carpets, drapes, or pet hair that clings to fibers. Dustbin capacity sits in the practical mid-range, allowing several passes through a living room before needing a dump. Filtration is designed to handle household dust and allergens with a washable main filter and an auxiliary layer for additional capture of fine particles. Accessories include a wide floor head for quick coverage, a narrow crevice tool for corners, and a small brush for upholstery, with some bundles adding a motorized head for carpet deep cleaning. Self-standing feature is handy, providing a stable resting place between passes and enabling you to store it in tighter closets where space is at a premium. The Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is easy to take apart for maintenance, and cleaning components are accessible through quick-release buttons that reduce the downtime between tasks. Battery life typically ranges from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on settings and surface, with modern lithium-ion cells delivering reliable performance over many cycles. Noise levels are moderate, so you can clean without turning the living room into a testing hall for sound. In real-world use, Cordless demonstrates reliability and ease of use that is attractive to families and renters who want a capable machine without the premium price tag. Paired to the Carbona Carpet Cleaner, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Cordless focuses on dry cleaning efficiency and everyday debris removal rather than wet stain treatment, offering a complementary approach to housekeeping that pairs well with a deep cleaning liquid product. At number 1, we have the Carbona Carpet Cleaner. This product enters the countdown as a carpet care specialist, designed to tackle stubborn stains and deeply seated grime with an oxy-powered approach. The formula is engineered to break down organic soils, pet stains, and general traffic grime through an oxygen-based oxidation process that lifts embedded matter from carpet fibers without excessive scrubbing. Packaging typically includes a spray option for targeting tough spots and a pour cap for larger areas, making it suitable for both quick spot cleaning sessions and full room refreshes. Carbona Carpet Cleaner emphasizes color-safe performance, working across a range of carpet fibers, from nylon to polyester blends, and it generally performs well on area rugs and stairs as well. The product's chemistry is designed to remain gentle on synthetic fibers while delivering strong cleaning power, aided by built-in chelating agents and surfactants that help the solution spread evenly through the pile. In practical use, you'll notice the smell is mild and clean, with a neutral after-clean scent that many households appreciate. A key advantage is that it helps lift set-in stains without leaving a milky residue behind, which can be a concern with some older carpet cleaners. Liquid is designed to work with standard household water temperatures, and its packaging is portable enough to be stored in a closet or utility room for routine maintenance. And you combine Carbona Carpet Cleaner with a traditional vacuum or a dedicated carpet cleaning appliance. You create a more complete approach to keeping carpets fresh and stain-free over time, particularly in homes with pets or children who frequently spill colorful liquids. The formulation is safe for use on most synthetic and natural fibers, though you should always test a hidden area first to confirm color fastness. Compared to the generic cordless vacuum cleaner, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Carbona Carpet Cleaner specializes in deep stain treatment and restoration of fiber appearance, rather than the routine dry cleaning duties that a cordless vacuum handles. The two products complement one another, offering a two-pronged strategy for maintaining carpets in high-traffic areas.